This is Madeline Acosta, and today she will be tasting homemade tortilla chips with chocolate sauce that we made out of semi-sweet chocolates. Madeline, take a bite.
Okay.
How is it? Close your eyes and describe it to us.
It's yummy. They both work together to make it sweet and chewy. And the chip is bumpy. I can't taste anything else, so I'm gonna try it again.
Oh, you didn't try it again?
Yeah. Sweet and hard.
Okay, you can open your eyes. Okay, so do you recommend this?
Yes.
How many stars would you give this?
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay.
Infinity.
All right. Tell your fans bye.
Bye, Santa Claus fans.
What'd you call him before?
It's Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus? Okay, bye.
Bye, Santa Claus fans.